HVAC people!
All right, so we got a no cooling call. It's Monday morning. The family said that they got a hotel room for over the weekend because it got too hot in the house. But they say the fan motor on the outside is not running. So they reset the breaker, it came on, and then a few minutes later it went off again. So try to troubleshoot and find out what's going on with it.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. All right.
You need me to open up the garage?
Yes, the breaker
Yep.
is off at the breaker right here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's hope we got a capacitor problem. I need to ask her. I think they said they turned it off at the breaker. They need to make sure it's not tripping at the breaker. All right, so I have no power here. Let's go take a look at the breaker. Okay, yeah, just turn the thermostat on. All right, so I just had, you hear that? So nothing happening, so probably just a bad cap. So I'm gonna check power one more time. I just pulled the disconnect. Alright, so we're gonna check microfarads. I got 0 from common to the Herm. Got 0 from the fan to common. 0, so definitely a bad cap. Let's see what size we got. .45 by 5, so I'm gonna run and get one. We got a 45 by 5, 440. This one here is a lot bigger, so we're gonna have to add a scrap. All right, so we had the red, it should be common. it up and see what it do. Got good warm air. Alright, so I'm letting it run for a while. Looks like we got good amperage. I think that's all we need is a capacitor. We'll start wrapping up doing the invoice and determine then if I need to hook up gauges. But I think that's all they need. Alright, thanks for watching.